tornado warning for northwestern Cedar County, southwestern Jones County, southern Lynn County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Marion or near Cedar Rapids, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Marion, Mount Vernon, Springville, Bertram, Martell, Peralta, Marion Airport, and Squaw Creek Park around 5:40 p.m. Lisbon and Viola around 5:45 p.m. Morley around 5:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Mechanicsville, Olin, and Stanwood. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 18 and 28. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: